Hello people, once again it's Mustafa here, and the last part of the three videos we'll be talking more about the echo command in the Linux Unix operating system. How does echo command react to text that is written in single inverted commas. In the previous two videos, in the first video we saw how echo command treats the text without any quotations. In the second video we saw how does the echo command treat values which is in double inverted commas, and we also saw how does the E option with echo command work um, with putting in tabs and new lines and backspace with the text in the double inverted text. Um, Now, the last um, way in which the echo command reacts to single inverted quotes. These single inverted quotes in Red Hat is known as strong quote. So what I mean by strong quote is that anything that is mentioned within the single inverted quotes is taken as literal. So what do I mean by that? So we saw in the first video how I assigned the value of lowercase root to the variable uppercase root. So you see here I'm calling out the variable without any quotation marks. The same way if I do a double quotes, it'll still call out the value of the uppercase root. Now however, if I do a single, it's not going to do that. Why? It's because it's a strong quote. It takes the literal meaning of whatever is mentioned within the single inverted quotes. So it doesn't use. So basically, like we saw, if I want to print out the dollar sign by itself, I have to use the escape character backslash in order to print the dollar sign, right? If I want to do the same thing without any quotation marks, I don't need the escape character. Same way, if I do the echo single inverted commas dollar sign single inverted commas, it will still print out the dollar sign. So you see, I printed out the dollar sign by itself in three different ways. Now you might be thinking like, okay, the E option didn't work with the text without any quotation. The E option worked with the text which was mentioned in the double inverted commas. Would the E option work with text that is mentioned in single inverted commas? Let's take a look. So let's print out a new line, right? And let's print out a dollar sign just for the sake of it, right? And it does. So basically, printing out the literal value without any quotations, the E option doesn't work. But say if you want to use the E option and you also don't want to mess around with any, you know, escape characters, you can use the single inverted text and also enjoy the benefit of using the E option. So when I do echo minus E open single inverted quote tab dollar sign close single inverted quote, it drops a text. Now the different ways in which we can manipulate the standard output using the echo command doesn't have to do anything with the redirection. So the greater than sign and the greater than sign which is used to redirect the standard output into a file remains common with all the three methods of using echo. So what I mean is, if you use a single greater than sign with any of these combinations, it'll put the standard output into a file. Now if that file already has data in it, it'll remove that data and it'll update the file with the standard output that you asked to redirect it to. Now if you use two greater than signs, or like this, with any one of the three combinations, it'll concatenate the output to the file. It'll add to the file. It's not going to remove anything that already exists in the file. It'll add a line to it. So the output redirection doesn't change with the way echo is used with no inverted commas, double inverted commas, or or single inverted quotes. Alright, so like we saw, the E option with no quotations does not work. The E option with double inverted quotes work, but in case you want to print any special character, you'll have to use the what is this called? I forgot. You'll have to use the escaping character. However, if you use the single inverted quotes, you can use the E option as well as print special characters without using the escaping character. However, if you want to display the value of the variable using single inverted quotes, that's not gonna work. The value of the variable will only work if you mention the variable in double inverted quotes or no quotation marks. Not much confusing, you know. So you can also, so there is another method of displaying your value of the variable by representing the dollar sign, open curly brace, the variable, and the close curly brace. But you see, I've not mentioned any quotation mark. The same method will work if I put this in double inverted quotations. However, if I put this in single inverted quotes, it's not gonna work because it's a strong quote and it'll take the literal meaning of whatever is mentioned in the within the single inverted quotes. So like we said, echo command doesn't have a lot of options, but if you use it wisely, it comes in handy. And if you know how to use it, you can manipulate the standard output however you want it to be manipulated as, and you can also use it for comparisons. This is all so far for the echo command that I know of. There are various other ways that you can use the echo command, no doubt about that. um, there are many other videos everywhere that you can access. There is help text on Linux operating system and Unix operating system as well, the man pages that you can refer to in order to use different combinations of the echo command. These three videos that I made of echo command are basically a collection of information that I investigated and collected for my use. I couldn't find uh, any reference of such sort. So this is how I separated my use of echo command without quotations, with double inverted quotes, and with single inverted quotes. How can you use it, what all options you can use, and how does it display text in standard output. So make the best use of it, and hope these three videos were helpful and beneficial to you. Hopefully I'll come out with more videos in the future. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye.